Next one is data abstraction. Definition is the act of representing essential features without including the background details or explanation. In this, data abstraction is you are not seeing what is the background detail or explanation. We are only interested in essential features. Here the classes uses or behaves like a data abstraction. So classes are called as abstract data type. Classes use the concept of abstraction and are defined as a list of abstract attributes such as size, weight, and cost. These are the data types or data in the classes, and these data are accessed by some methods. Okay, now I will explain this data abstraction by using some simple examples. You already know how to use mobile phone. I think all of you have familiar with the mobile phone, maybe Android or any mobiles. Now, mobile is actually a complex electronic device. Now, I want to communicate with my friend by using mobile. How to do the communication between me and my friend? It's very simple. First, I have to dial some number, my friend's number, and just press the green button, and a connection will be established between my mobile and my friend's mobile. Once the connection is established, I will do the communication. Me and my friend do the communication. When the communication is done, I just disconnect it by pressing red button. Now this is the simple task we are doing in the mobile phone. But actually the mobile phone has a very complex electronic device. It has to convert our voice signal into electronic signal, a very complex circuit which will convert a voice signal into electronic signals and send it through air to my friend's mobile. Once my friend's mobile receives that, it is converted back into voice signal. So internally it is a very complex hardware parts. But when I am calling, I am not interested in how actually the communication is done between me or my mobile to my friend's mobile. I am just interested in how to do the communication, how to dial, how to talk, and how to disconnect. So only essential part I know, and the remaining how the machine works, how the device works, it's not important for me. So that is actually I explained here. How the background details means how our mobile works. There is no need of any explanation here. I don't need how actually the mobile works. What I actually need, how to do the communication with my friend. That is the essential feature. In similar way, when I am using classes, I have to just know how to use that class. What type of message communication I do with that class. I don't know. I don't bother how that class perform that operation. I just want how or what type of message I have to send to the class. Just like I told in the previous example, if I want to know the balance of my account, I just ask, give me the balance of my account, and provide some account information to the clerk of the bank. I don't bother how actually he will perform that work, how actually he will calculate or how actually he will access that account information. I don't bother. I just need my account number as or balance. Okay, that is actually the data abstraction.